Hi everyone! Welcome back to Scratch for Absolute Beginners. Today, we will explore the Scratch screen and make our first Sprite move. Let's look at the Scratch screen together. On the left side, we have 3 tabs: Code, Costumes, and Sounds. We'll start with the Code tab. Inside the Code tab, we have many colourful blocks, like Motion, Looks, Sound, Events, Control, and many more. Each block has a special job. These blocks help us tell Scratch what to do. Now look at the right side of the screen. At the top, we see the stage. This is where our Sprite moves and plays. Above the stage, we see the green flag and stop button. The green flag starts our program. Below the stage, we see Sprite properties and the Sprite list. Here, we can add new sprites, edit them, and even change the background. Called a backdrop. In the middle, we have the coding area. This is where we drag blocks and connect them to make our program work. Now let's make our Sprite move. Go to the Events blocks, find When Green Flag Clicked, and drag it into the coding area. Next, go to Motion, find Move 10 Steps, and attach it under the green flag block. Now, click the green flag above the stage. Look, the Sprite is moving! Awesome, guys! Yay! We did it! You just made your first Sprite move in Scratch. In the next video, we will create a simple game using Scratch. See you!